How to add Snapchat account to Instagram bio. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, now go ahead now and open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, now go to this profile. After you open profile like this, now go to, as you can see now, tap on this share button. In this section now, tap on this copy link. Now I copy the link of my Snapchat account. Now close the Snapchat app like this. Go to Instagram. After you open your Instagram like this now, all you have to do now, you can tap on this profile. So after you open your profile like this now, all you have to do, now tap on this edit profile button. In this section now, scroll to down. Now go to this add link. In this section, now tap on this add external link. So in this section now, go ahead and paste in your URL. Long press your hand. So long press your hand and tap on this paste. So in this section now, go and type in Snapchat. Snapchat. So as you can see now, after you type in Snapchat like this now, just tap on this save button. So as you can see now here is my Snapchat. If I tap on this back arrow, so as you can see now I add my Snapchat account to Instagram bio. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.